Hi, it's me again with Corel Rolls and Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me a email. When you use the interactive fill tool and you go up to the fountain fill and then you add red, he wants it from the top to the bottom of the letter. So in older versions of Corel, if I remember right, there was actually a dialog that you could flip that. But in newer versions, if you will go to the interactive fill tool, and all you have to do is just rotate this guy to the top and rotate this one to the bottom. And then you can play with your slide bar and your colors and get it, exactly where you want it. The closer the red is to the item, the redder it's going to be, the closer to the yellow. So if we go up here, it's going to be less yellow. If we bring it back down and actually put it in there, it's going to be much more yellow than red because we're inside the text. If we stay like on top of the text on both of them, it'll be pretty equal. And you can also, you don't have to be like that. You can have it like that. You could go from corner to corner. There's a lot you could do with this, but if you safely put it in the middle, all your text will be like that. So it's two different ways to look at it. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.